What's going on, guys? Back with another video, another Mazda 3 mod. Today I'll be showing you how to change the parking bulbs here. So these are really hard to do. It takes a little bit of time because this bulb right here is really, hopefully I wasn't covering the mic. The bulb right here is really hard to reach. But here it is right here. This is the LED bulb. The halogen bulb looks like that, the orange one. So these are Brightshine 194 T10 LED bulbs. I got the ice blue ones because they match my fog lights. So the first step you have to do is take these out. These little tabs here. So I took 4 out, and that's all you really need. I took them out with the flathead screwdriver. So once you have those off, you just pull this back here. You pull this tab back, and then you'll have access into this thing. So this is the harness. This is the harness that the bulb sits in, and you'll notice. You'll notice that the end here, it has 2 grooves that you could pull and twist, and it's really hard to get because it's all the way up. It's all the way up there, and I'll show you once it's in because I can't really put my phone in here, so give me a second. Now I don't know if you can see it, but it's where this black wire is leading to. This black wire right there, where my finger's at. I'm sorry, my thumb's in the way. This black wire right there. So it's all the way up there. It's not the white one. It's not this white one right here. It's not that one. So it's all the way up in there. And once it's turned on, this should be what your new parking bulb looks like. It used to be orange, but now it's blue. And that's the passenger. This is that's the driver's side over there, and that was the passenger. Now they just turned off because the timer on my car. Now they're not supposed to be that bright, only because they're parking bulbs. They're not fog lights. They're only parking bulbs, or side marker lights, whatever you want to call them. But the pack that I bought, these ones here, I'll throw a link down in the description for these. But dang it. So I noticed that over like 3 to 4 weeks driving with these, they come in a pack of 10. Over a span of like 3 weeks, they start flickering because I guess they're not great quality. So just keep a mind out for that. But they do come with 10, so this is why I'm replacing them right now. I didn't want to make the video the first time because it was just too hard. But it's pretty easy the second time around. So yeah, if you ever want to change your parking lights or your side marker lights, that's what they'll look like if you get blue. The orange strip right there is just a reflective strip. That's not part of the light. You can see, like, when I move the light, it starts reflecting. But this is what I'm talking about right here. So I'll just show you the passenger side just cause. So yeah, like I said, just taking these tabs out works with the flathead. So we got 1, 2, 3, and then 4 right up here. Also, be sure to move your wheel all the way out of the way because you won't be able to get your arm in here. Now, I figured out the hard way that these are polar sensitive, so make sure you have them in the right way before you put them back in here. But this is what they look like. You can see how bright they are. So yeah, guys, that's how they look. The driver's side and the passenger side. Be sure, if you like this video, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. Like I said, I'll be leaving a link to them in the description. I got them on Amazon. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.